We are in IKEA now. This is IKEA Malaysia. Look at all this Christmas decoration. This is their Christmas trees. Cute. Look at this. Another room setting with the Christmas design. This is the Doxcon. I hope I pronounced it correctly. So they have kind of like the winter berries. This. Yep, I'm getting this. Where? They might have it. Yeah. This? Oh, there? Oh, wow, looks nice. This one? It's 49. Yeah, but has a lot. Let's see. So we are getting our wreath guest here in IKEA. I like it because it's very simple and green. And they have something like that. Like this. Yeah, and this is very like normal. Or this is smaller, right? Okay, we are gonna get this. Let's see, got a new wreath. Getting this too.